Winner of the governorship election in Ogun State, Prince Dapo Abiodun of the All Progressive Congress has declared man is not God. The governor-elect was apparently referring to all his effort to placate Governor Bikola Amosu to accept him as the All Progressive candidate, but which they later turned down and vowed to work against him. At the end of the day, God proved himself in the life of Dapo Abiodun as he was declared the governor-elect by the Independent National Electoral Commission in the early hours of Monday. In a video shared on Twitter, Abiodun gave glory to God for the victory, saying he's a living testimony of the fact that man is not God.